Okay, it's in place. It went in nice. My sizing was just right. And then this piece right here, this was a loose piece I had showed earlier. So I pulled the maybe caulking, maybe paint out of underneath it, shoved caulking up in, and then caulked on top. Now I'm also going to run a bead down through here, and get spots like this once I'm ready. Okay, but first of all, I'm going to bring the hammer up and pound this nail in. I don't know why this is sticking out so much. And then this area right here, I've decided that I'm going to, so what it is, this was the width of their shingles. So this is a shingle, and then they cut a small piece to go in there, but they cut it too long. And then the piece broke off. So I'm going to pull that piece out and make a piece for there like I did here. Just to look a lot better than that sticking down, because it's the only one sticking down. I mean, if that was part of the pattern, okay, but it's not. It's not on the other side either. Okay, so I'm gonna go down and get the hammer and then pull that out, and then I'm gonna go over the whole thing one more time and see if I can get some more paint off, like over here. I'm pretty sure I can. Maybe get that off too. Check this, because once I start painting, I want to be able to do all this up through. I don't remember what colors it needs to be. That needs to be pounded in and then caulked. So, and maybe, I don't know, it feels really solid though, so maybe I don't need any more nails. But if you ever feel, if you're working along and something's not solid, then you need to nail it. Oh, there's also, where is it? There's a nail coming through from the roofing. Oh, right up there. So I need to bring something to cut it off, or it might be the type that bends and breaks really easy. If it's one of the galvanized, it will. So I'll have to figure that out. If nothing else, I'll bring the hacksaw blade up and cut it with that. Okay, so some TLC, it's needed, and then I'm going to do caulking, but I'm not going to caulk areas like this. That's part of the design. I'll just, anything loose, well, like there, I might caulk that. Yeah, just to give it a little bit more support. Could have another nail in it, but if I caulk underneath here after I pull any loose stuff out, that'll hold it. The rest feel good. Yeah, the rest all feel really good. And then we got some caulking there too. So a bunch of TLC. We're still in the shade, so we're gonna, just focus on this area right here. Okay, we'll check back later. Focus on that right now.